Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Doorstep service app and signing in with the mobile number linked to your postal account. This ties your identity to the transaction. Once done, make sure to grant location and camera permissions so the courier can find you and record package condition. Then select the specific service, pickup, delivery, or a postal collection slot, because the app tailors options and fees accordingly. This speeds scheduling and avoids misrouted requests. Next, you enter recipient or sender details and pick a precise pickup time window so the courier can plan the route efficiently. As you continue, specify package type and weight estimate and add insurance or required postal forms. These choices affect price and handling. Make sure to attach clear photos and declare contents accurately because customs and liability depend on it. Then review and confirm the postage estimate so there are no surprises. Finally, meet the courier during your scheduled window and verify their name and ID to protect against fraud. You should hand over the properly packaged item and get a digital receipt immediately. Once collected, monitor tracking and delivery status in-app and leave a rating to improve service quality. If something goes wrong, late pickup, missing receipt, or damage, use the in-app support chat, provide your order ID and photos, and escalate so the postal team can resolve it promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.